What is good to YouTube? We back with another video today. Today we gonna be installing a brand new carbon fiber duck bill. A lot of people actually come and whenever they get a WRX in general, mostly a WRX, the STIs already come with it. But WRX, they have an STI wing, which I kind of still wanted to do, but at least where I live in Texas, y'all see, a lot of people do it, and I don't like being like other people. So what I do, I'm just gonna get a duck bill, and then carbon fiber one's gonna be super clean. Maybe later on I'll get a wing or an STI wing. It's one or the other. But as of right now, I got the duck bill. So let me go ahead and show y'all how to do today's install. Car is very dirty because it's summertime and black cars, they don't like weather. I swear to God, you gotta have like no air or something like that. Just to have it to not be dirty. But it's whatever, because she's still beautiful. Let's get straight into today's install. But first, let's have a look at the duck bill in itself. Pattern's going to the right. Look at the trunk clip. Pattern is going to the right. Look at the exhaust finisher. Pattern is going to the right. As with the mirrors and side marker. That's the only other carbon I have other than the e-brake. But yeah, so yeah. Unfortunately, the thing didn't come with 3M tape, so I just put my own on. Actually, I used the rest of my 3M tape. I wanted to use it anyway, so big main shift in the middle, and hopefully it looks really good on the car. But first things first, go ahead and just lift up the trunk. Oh, that's where it was. Get a pry tool and just pry off this whole piece. It'll be a lot easier if you do the whole thing other than just top pieces. So just go ahead and pop off all of them. Alright, after that, you see that bolt right there and that one. Those are both 8 mils. I think it's just if you remove those two, there's just a bunch of blue pop clips like these, but that's for the trunk clip. But that should just make it, what's it called? Get out those two 8mm in there, and then you should be able to just rip the old lip off of the car. So let me go ahead, set up the camera and get that 8mm. Now all you have to do is just go from straight under like that. So let's get it done. All right, so after I close your trunk and everything, you need a grip. From what I've heard people say, is just grab it and just yank it off. It feels like they say it feels like you're gonna break it, but you're not going to. But I'm still kind of scared, so let me go one at a time. Well, it's still hard anyways, so. Oh wait, why don't I just do it from under? Now that I think about it, why can't you just push the clips from under and loosen them? That's probably a little smarter, huh? You can see them and everything. Point to see. Can I see anything in there? Oh, I do see one. It's right back there. I can't reach that. There's no way. Yeah, no way. Okay. The other one is right there. I don't know if I can move this wire out the way. Yeah, it's right there. So there's for sure one. It's just, how do you get to it? Okay. I'll find it side and I'll show you after. So I legit just paused it and I went to go pull on one side and it just fell. But oh, there goes one of the clips. Actually just fell out of the thing. That's not good. I don't know. It was right in here. It was just show y'all real quick. There's 5 holes and they were just right in there. So yeah, it has like little seams and stuff so water can get through. I mean, I gotta go get that clip again. And you gotta wash this. So I'll be right back with that. First off, actually, let me straighten y'all out real quick. Y'all kind of leaning. But the car, I think there's no holes. The car without the wing, or the little spoiler that comes with, it's kind of ugly, I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of ugly. There's so much dust caked off from it. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it clean. I need to use a lot of water too, so I'm gonna scratch up the paint. I'm gonna get right back to y'all. I'm gonna use a spray bottle full of water just so it gets on there, but like not too much water, just to like firm it all up and get the surface wet. Now we gotta test fit it on the car, and you know it slides to the bottom because it has a little divot for the badge. So let's go ahead. That looks good, guys. That looks really good. I'm gonna take this piece off and cut it so it has more. My bad, y'all. Got cut off. Also, why didn't y'all tell me that my back was sweating, bro? Like, I knew it already, but y'all could have told me and shit. But it's whatever, I guess. Also, one thing I noticed from looking back at the video is the edges actually matched up with the body lines, like pretty well actually. But what I was saying before the video cutout was there's a strip right here in the middle. It would show whenever, oh, it's already coming off because it's stuck to the car. It would show whenever you put the wing on. So I cut it in half widthwise and put it right here so there's more grip. So I'm gonna go ahead and spend the next like whatever amount of minutes just peeling some parts off, like the bottom and stuff. And then I'll show y'all when we're about to install it. All right, it got a little windy, but what I did was essentially the thin pieces up top, I peeled all those and the middle, but the big ones and the smaller ones down, I put the little tabs. Like, it still pull it on and off and stuff, just to get it centered. This is actually really good right here. So I'm gonna start peeling it right here. I'm gonna get the big main pieces first, because then it sticks better. Peel off. Oh, that's not good. Okay. That's cool, I guess. Might as well peel all that off too. Those tiny pieces. Yep, there goes the other one. Okay, that's cool. I didn't really need these anyway, so. Ugh. That's the big pieces. Push that all down. And now for the tiny ones. We got a problem. You're not trying to pull. Okay. Alright, that's cool, I guess. Risky here. I'm gonna try to peel it off. It's gonna be kind of bad, but I'm gonna try it. Yeah, nope. Okay, maybe you can just push it up because it's flexing a little bit because of glue, and then try to grab these out. It's working. We got it. All right, guys, good. It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna change up something because as I noticed, it's more so of the middle ones aren't really making contact. So I'm gonna change up something and I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, I changed it up. I put the end pieces in the middle. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna do a little test fit, see if it works or not. I don't want to do that again. I wonder if I should put those screws back in just in case. Because this is mainly the middle part that might have just flexed from the heat. But it's making contact. Yeah, it's making contact. looking from far away and everything. It's all centered. It's just a matter of fact of getting it all stuck. I wonder if I should put those 8mm back in and drill it into a brand new carbon fiber wing. Yeah, I mean everything's attached where it's stuck where the tape is. No, guys, I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna put some self tappers where that wing was, just so. I mean, it's mine already, and I'd rather put screws in it to where, you know, it's secure and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna show y'all what happens after. Also, one more thing I wish I had is oh, I gotta get one shorter than this. They're chrome. It kind of sucks. Can you see one that's as tall as this one? It's a brand new carbon fiber duck bill, but it's gonna be worth it, I promise. All right, then. One more. Yeah, I can see it drilling through. One more thing I want to do is I tighten it down hand tight with my ratchet, but I kind of want to put one down the middle. I just don't know where the hole for that is. I see it. I can't even reach it. Maybe with this. I can. I had a longer extension, but I can't. Alright, I have it in there. Let me see if I have an extension. I think I have one extension. Hold on. Alright, I just came up with this doohickey. This should make it reach. Hopefully. I'm really hoping it does. Oh, it does. Let's go. Let's go ahead and put this one in. Let's see this. We got it. All right. Now, hand tighten these with a ratchet that I left over there. I'll be right back again. All right, I got this thing even more of a contraption. It should work. Right? Oh yeah. That's in there now. That's solid. Can't even see the screw holes, and I just close it on me again. I gotta get that nail out, and once I'm done, also, one more thing. Y'all like my carbon fiber key case? Gotta match with the car, you know? Clean. All right, I'm gonna get this, I don't know what this even is. But I'm gonna get it out, and I'll get it right back to y'all. Bro, let's go, bro. I found out where it was. So what happened was, when I was trying to put it in here, it fell down here. But then as I somehow managed to push it down, this somehow managed to go over here, and I only found out I was banging on it. Y'all don't hear it no more, and I heard it rattling over here. But that's just like a side-off mission, bro. That's just like a sidetrack mission. But main thing is the duckbill is solid. Bro, just look at that. I love the duckbill with this. Actually, I don't know why, but they have this black line right there. Thing is, I kind of like it. There's a little scratch right here. Oh wait, no, that's just glue. That's just glue. Anyways, what I was saying was, I kind of like it. It like follows the body line. It looks kind of dope. I ain't gonna lie. And that's just me. Cause it'll just share right here, out all the way, and it reaches the other side. And that's just me, but I kind of like it. Looking at the duckbill, it looks great. I can already feel the G-force, the downforce. I mean, that's so stupid. That's it from the side angle. Looks like this. Clean, clean. Yeah, you can kind of tell like a fine line of where it's dirty and clean. I'm gonna clean the rest of this chart at the trunk, but I don't know, guys. I kind of like it. Looks super clean. Imagine I went duckbill with the big ass wing. That'd be kind of funny though. Actually, I see a lot of people actually do that. But yeah, it comes out quite a bit. Changes the shape of it up. I don't know if I mounted it too low, but I was kind of going off of what this thing was like. Oh, and it's like, okay, well this kind of lowered. That's kind of cool, I guess. I nailed it in. But I was going off of what this shape is like, and wouldn't that be like right next to it? So I think this is actually how correctly how you do it. Oh yeah, I can definitely tell this side's a little lowered. Gotta push this up, but too late. Oh well, you can't even notice it that bad. Yeah, it looks clean. You got carbon there, you got carbon there, and you got carbon there. Super clean. That's all good. Okay, but that's pretty much the end of today's video. I got the sock one right here. I'm keeping that for myself. I'm debating on getting a roof spoiler. Tell me what y'all think about that. Also, mainly because the shark fins are now not glossy anymore. So I actually could have gotten the 3M tape off of that. Put on there, but it's whatever. So that's kind of dangerous. Not good. I clean the rest of the stuff, but I'm planning on getting a roof spoiler. I feel it look good with the duckbill because they both kind of go out. But tune in next video, and y'all get to watch me install something involving lighting that I haven't done to this car yet. AKA getting rid of these, something better. But yeah, thanks for watching today's video, guys. I hope y'all liked the video. So y'all make sure y'all go down and like, subscribe, comment, and hit those bell notifications so y'all get posted whenever I post. And I will see y'all later.